What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Today we turning some wrenches while we got a little break in the weather. That why I ain't been shooting no video, man. The weather been, I had some stocked up, but I ain't ready to release those just yet. So we finally got a little break. I hope so, man. Then like cloud cover coming over, but it's humid as all outdoors out here, man. But I need to get these parts out the way, which I did, because I was tired on sitting in the corner, man, especially when we working out, bumping into them. They had collected and stacked up fast, just that fast, man, just like that. So I loaded everything up, took it on over there to Lawless Street Cars and Fabrication, because they're going to be doing everything anyway. So that's why all the parts set for meats. One more piece for meats coming in tomorrow, the third member coming tomorrow. I got a shipping notification, so now we just waiting on the housing, man. If the housing, if they never would have made that mistake, we would have had everything as of tomorrow, cause I would have had the housing already, and then third member would have been coming tomorrow, and we would have had everything. We could have moved forward finally, cause I got all the brake stuff, even for the front. I got the Zeus fastener. God, forgot to take them down. I need to get them from upstairs. I got to take the Zeus fasteners down there, and I got to call my boy Scott over at AutoZone to get the inner and outer bearing for the front. I just thought about that too. And I might go ahead and buy the rotors for this car, cause that's all I got to do brake wise for this one. I'm just going to change the rotors and the calipers on this, cause I told y'all I'm not messing with the drums back there. So I probably go ahead and do that, and just go ahead and get the rotors and the calipers, change that over. I can do that right here at the house, and then this one right here will be good brake wise. Excuse me, this will be good brake wise. But for now, we finna get the lab box out of here and go ahead and get this dry shell loop installed, which I should have been did it. Said this safety thing, get you a good dry shell loop. And I want to shout out, I gotta find a username. If I remember find the username, man, I put it in, cause he made a valid point. I was telling y'all when I first got this loop, I said you might want to put it at the back. And some people do. Some people run two loops, man. Some people run in the back and the front, but he made a valid point. And this bolts where the factory loop goes, which is toward the front. He said, Jay, you probably want to put it in the front, cause it'll be safer and better. Which is true. That's true. Cause a lot of people, a lot of time that dry shell, man, most of the time what you see, they break in the back. They break the U-joint. Somebody U-joints bust. Then the dry shell drop, dig in the ground, and get the fumbling this and that. But he made a valid point. If it fall and hit the back, and you're on the track, most of the time you're gonna be going forward. It'll just drag. Now, if it come out the front or the tail shaft some bust, and you going forward, that's when it'll hang. It can dig in the ground and it can flip your car over. So I got to shout out to him. If you got a good dry shell, like a dry shell like I got or something, but if you got one of the old, it's just been in there for a while, it might just snap the dry shaft in half. But like I said, you just got to think of what could happen. So I want to shout him out because he did make a valid point. So I'm finna get set up, man. I think I got everything I need. Hopefully I ain't got to come off under the car again. So I'm gonna set y'all up, man. We finna get to it. All right, y'all. We in here. First break cave. We in here. And I got the factory loop. Let me see. Yeah, I got the factory loop still on this car. It'll catch it, but it ain't better than this. It ain't better than this. So what we gonna do, and I need to come under here anyway, cause it's good to have an inspection. Let's see. See it out like that. It's a good loop, man. It's actually that's a good loop there. It really is. That's a damn good loop, really. Alright. And let me see, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and take the old loop down first. Oh man, I already see. My attack plan was to come under here with a impact and just zip all of them out. It ain't gonna happen. It ain't gonna happen. The exhaust in the way. Look at that. I knew I was gonna have to come off under the car. I just knew it, man. It don't never go that smooth. It never go that smooth. Then I'm about to get a wrench. Let's see. Same bolts and everything. 13. So we gotta go get an extension for the 1/2" drive. Take that head off. And we're gonna get a wrench and get to it. I'm probably gonna bring y'all up here in the front. Or better yet, y'all know what? Let's go ahead and get that drive shaft out. Let's see, we can do that. The loop part will be easy. Get this drive shaft. Hope one of these right. Hope one of these right. Lord. So for the people wondering how to do this, you ain't got to take your drive shaft completely out. You not have to do that. Man, look at this, boy. They just want to make me come off on the car, man. I'm just gonna have to come off on the car. I ain't got nothing I need, man. Boy, I tell you. This is 11. That's a 10. So that means these is standard bolts. Well, I thought I had everything I need. So let's come back on the car. I'm gonna get my tool, and then we're gonna try it again. Alright, y'all, I think I got what I need, man. I think we got it this time. I think we got it. So 16, here's 13. Here's 13. Let's see. I think we got them beat this time. Yeah. We got them beat it. Alright, let's see. Got y'all pointed. I got y'all pointed down here at the drive shaft. Now I'm finna start hitting the wrenches. I'm finna start hitting the bolts up there. 3/8. 3/8. Oh man, when I went down there to Jesse today, he told me my mufflers already ready for meat. The aluminum mufflers, they already ready. We just waiting on the exhaust now. We just waiting on the tubing now. So meat's probably gonna have y'all. I should be dropping that video, letting y'all hear the new exhaust. It's gonna have a new sound. Probably be done before the red. So we're gonna have that coming up. Yes indeed. And they're gonna speed it up. That 1350. 1350 U-joint. Big boy. Solid U-joint. Say that what you want, man. When you make some power, man, don't put some good stuff on your car, man. Especially U-joint. Don't cheap out on your U-joint. Go ahead and upgrade to the 1350. What is the 1350, Jay? It's a much bigger U-joint. The factory U-joint is a 1310, I believe. But when you upgrade, you have to upgrade the pinion yoke too. So the pinion yoke goes back here at the back of the rear end. So you have to buy that too. Cause obviously it won't sit in the grooves and stuff. You got 1350. If you remember back when I first did it, I had to upgrade that. I had to buy that piece. Cause I wasn't thinking about it, man. I got to move. I think I was trying to beat a deadline or something. I'm moving too fast. Man, we might, let me see. Might come from the back of the car. Might be a little easier to work with. Let's see, slide around. Yeah, they're easier to work with right here. Come from the back of the car. Here we go. So after we get this out, we'll go up there and zip that what's name off. That loop. So this job, really, y'all, it ain't nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 bolts. It's 8 bolts, man. So you can knock this out. This ain't nothing. If you're a beginner, you don't have no experience, this is something right here you can do. And if people wondering, or they missed the video, what drive shaft loop I got the UMI. I bought it from UMI. It's a good quality loop too, man. I like it. How you know, man, when it comes to that B-body stuff, it's only select companies most of the time that you're gonna be able to use for stuff. Let's see. Zip the 4 drive shaft bolts out. In mine, another thing, if you got factory drive shaft, you'll get your bolts, attack them from the front side. The head of my bolts in the back cause of the 1350 or U-joint upgrade. So mine go in from the back versus coming in through here, right here in the front. So that's something to keep in mind, cause I know some people be learning, man, and they'll try to go step by step, and then they might get underneath. Which I mean, yeah, it's common sense. You can see it and see, all right, this the head of my boat, but like I say, man, everybody learns different, man. You gotta look at it like that. Everybody learns different and process things different. So you can't just be like, hey, they don't get it. Which I mean, it get frustrating. Like I said, I ain't perfect. I get frustrated sometimes with people. I feel like, hey man, it common sense. Then I have to sit back and just think like, hey, everybody process stuff different. So, you know. But there's a guilty confession. I mean, hey, I don't never try to act like I'm perfect. Or act like, hey, don't nothing bother me. Like I said, this stuff right there, or something like that, I'm like, no, I don't get it. But I always think, man, I always try to be understanding of people. Cause everybody different, like I said. And I try my best not to make nobody feel bad cause of stuff like that. So when I do these videos and I'm actually working on the cars, I try to break it down to even the simplest step. Even though to some it's like, hey Jay, it's self-explanatory, but like I said, man, think about your child or something too. Your child learn different too. Your child pick up stuff different too. So you know. We got one more. Got one more bolt. One more, y'all. One more. Good gracious. There we go. I'm gonna tell y'all, I've been wanting to do this, but I just hate jacking the cord. When it comes to doing stuff, I gotta jack the cord. I hate it. It takes more time to me to jack the cord than anything. And I might bring y'all back here so y'all can see what I'm talking about. And I got ARP fasteners. So everything 12 point. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna drop this drive shaft down to let it hang, and then we're gonna just feed the loop and run it all the way down. We're gonna feed the loop through there and run it all the way down. Or I might go ahead and do that, and then we just alright, we good. And then we'll just bolt the drive shaft back, so I won't have to worry about that. We'll come back around. Right. See. So now see, this the factory loop right here. A lot of time, I'm gonna tell you, if you got it, keep it on there for the time being. Cause I'm gonna tell you, back in the day, man, we'll take these things off just because, hey man, we get them. I don't know why we'll take them off, or it'll be missing, man. You don't kill nothing about it. A lot of people don't even have one. And you don't kill nothing about it, but it's there for a reason. Like everything on these cars is on for a reason. Me and my boy Rick were talking about that one day, how it's a lot of little stuff on these cars, man. You just like them vacuum canisters up front, the little circle vacuum canister. Man, we'll take that stuff off. Like, shoot, man, we don't need that. You'll take it off and throw it away. Y'all know what? Actually, I'm gonna reuse these bolts instead of the new ones they gave. But yeah, you'll take that stuff off and throw it away. Then when you go to doing cars the right way, you realize you need it. Well, no, I won't be reusing that bolt. I'm gonna have to use one of them, cause that one missing. All right. Matter of fact, let's check. Make sure it's thread in there. They got points on them. They should though. Make sure one of the new bolts thread in. Grab one out. Let's see. So it should work. If they got the right bolt, man, they on point. They for real, they the truth, they got the right bolts. Let me see. They both going here, they alright with me. They alright with me. They are alright with me. Okay. Well, we'll just use the new hardware. Let's do it. Alright, so what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna go ahead and get this down. We're gonna get this down, and then we're gonna go back. I'm gonna keep y'all right there. I'm gonna go back and thread the well, not thread, but I'm gonna take I'm gonna run the loop all the way down here. Look at the impact, boy. Everything smoke. Don't do that. Don't do that. All right. Hook on hanging up, boy. I like it. Keep it protected, but hanging up. Okay. Gonna open this one up, and then we're gonna run down there, thread it through, and load it back up. So I'm gonna reposition y'all. All right. Let's see. So now, see, this the factory loop right here. A lot of time, I'm gonna tell you, if you got it, keep it on there for the time being. Cause I'm gonna tell you, back in the day, man, we'll take these things off just because, hey, man, we get them. I don't know why we'll take them off, or it'll be missing, man. You don't kill nothing about it. A lot of people don't even have one, and you don't kill nothing about it. But it's there for a reason. Like everything on these cars is on for a reason. Me and my boy Rick were talking about that one day, how it's a lot of little stuff on these cars, man. You just like them vacuum canisters up front, the little circle vacuum canister. Man, we'll take that stuff off. Like, shoot, man, we don't need that. You'll take it off and throw it away. Y'all know what? Actually, I'm gonna reuse these bolts instead of the new ones they gave. But yeah, you'll take that stuff off and throw it away. Then when you go to doing cars the right way, you realize you need it. Well, no, I won't be reusing that bolt. I'm gonna have to use one of them, cause that one missing. All right. Matter of fact, let's check. Make sure it's thread in there. They got points on them. They should though. Make sure one of the new bolts thread in. Let me grab one out. Let's see. So it should work. If they got the right bolt, man, they on point. They for real, they the truth, they got the right bolts. Let me see. They both go in here, they alright with me. They alright with me. They are alright with me. Okay. Well, we'll just use the new hardware. Let's do it. Alright, so what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna go ahead and get this down. We're gonna get this down, and then we're gonna go back. I'm gonna keep y'all right there. I'm gonna go back and thread the well, not thread, but I'm gonna take I'm gonna run the loop all the way down here. Look at your cat, boy. Everything smoke. Don't do that. Don't do that. All right. Hook on hanging up, boy. I like it. Keep it protected, but hanging up. Okay. Gonna open this one up, and then we're gonna run down there, thread it through, and load it back up. So I'm gonna reposition y'all. Right, y'all. Woo. See how it bolt up first. Cause you wanna, I don't wanna thread this thing and then have to go all the way and take the stuff and loosen. Do it again. Let's see. Like this. Go through like that. Alright. Sit like that, alright? Get this. Whew. Jump in here, boy. Might get my mallet. Nope. Go to the weight room. No mallet, but I got the mallet hand. Man, I know what. I had a great idea. Yep, I ain't gonna be able to shortcut that. Cause of the exhaust. We were gonna run it through all the way down. But it ain't gonna do it. So I gotta take the whole drive shaft out. And then we're gonna have to bolt this up first. Hope no fluid don't come out. No pressure like that. It's leaning back. Let me see, man. I don't want no fluid to come out, man. That's the thing. The fluid's so high. Let me see. Test one. Let's see. We get some fluid out, boy. I'm going quick. Get some fluid out. A little bit. Let me see. Alright. We'll be alright. Coming out the yoke. Alright, man, I'm gonna get a cat pan and reposition y'all, cause we gotta bolt this up first. Alright. Here we go. Now let's get this bad boy bolted up first. And then we'll be cooking with some grease. Trying to lose none of this high fluid, man. Transmission fluid, one of the highest fluid you buy. I'm trying to lose none of it. This thing here heavy duty too. I like that. Like I like the construction of it. It's real sturdy, solid. Let's see. What we got. Okay. Man, this a nice piece here. I mean, this really a nice piece. It cut right. Can't see what's going on. Man, come on with the game, man. Come on with the game, man. I ain't trying to do that. Lord, what I'm doing wrong. Woof. Alright. There's him. There's him right there. There's one of them. There's one of them. Get there. Gonna hit the corners first. Hit the corner, the one with the wrench. Oh yeah, that's him. That's him there, y'all. That's what they say. That's him. Yeah, it's a good dry shell loop, man. See, yeah, it's a good loop here. Everything lined up like it's supposed to, man. Clearance. No clear issues. Let's see. It might. Well, matter of fact, let me see. We're gonna bolt it down. I'm gonna bolt it down first and see exactly how well it fits. when it's snug. I'm gonna dump the gun. Y'all know I'm keep it real. If it good, it good. If it ain't, I'm gonna tell you, I don't like this. Where's it? Get them started. I like they don't tell me count my chicken before they hatch, cause them two bolted up. But what's the problem right here? We ain't having no action. Don't even seem like it lining up either. Why they won't line up for real? Like this one here ain't got nothing going on. There's one bolt. Ain't got my flashlight. Ain't lining up. Maybe cause it's clearance. That one ain't lining up. I think I see the problem. It's hidden. It's hidden right here in that one spot. So it like you'll have to take some out the, well, not the, basically it's hidden. I see the hole right there. Yeah, it's a little bit too, it's off. I'm talking about this off. So what we gonna do, I'm gonna tighten up these. I mean, 3 will hold it. I had 3 in there anyway. But we gonna tighten up. I'm gonna tighten these up. We're gonna see if it straighten up and get right. Let's see. Get the wrench first. It might get right. Let's see. Cause right now, the inside bolt on the driver's side, it ain't lining up. So I'm gonna go and tighten this up, and I'm just trying to tell y'all everything going on so you'll know step by step. Or if you do decide to buy it, you know what to expect. But all in all, like I said, it's so far so good, man. It's good construction. It lined up for the most part. I mean, 3 of the 4 went in great, but let's tighten up, see what we got though, man. I might be jumping in. It's a little clearance. It hitting the floor. Get the impact. Tighten it up a lot more. Let's see if this one will go in. Nope. It's the floor too right there. It's a little spot on the floor right there, man. It's hidden. It don't want to go. Might have to rub it 3. Like I said, it ain't gonna hurt nothing. I had 3 in the factory one just did, cause one of them got lost. Alright. Tight. Good bit to smooth on this one. Got going on delivery. I'm supposed to have that coming today. Gotta go a little more. Supposed to have no delivery today, man. Well, I guess I do. Came early, y'all. Alright, we got that. Alright, we back, man. Got it all wrapped up. I was just checking the dry shaft, the clearance and stuff, man, with wifey. I ain't record that, but had her in it, getting on the gas, cause you know once you're on the acceleration, man, the dry shaft go in the line. But I got the lean, so it looked like it's resting on the loop, just the hair, but you know it don't the main thing, as long as it's not touching that loop on the acceleration, and it's cool or whatever. Low speeds, it's alright, man. It won't hurt nothing. But I'm probably going there and I'll probably go back under there and clear some of it off, thin it out, like go around it and take a little bit of material off, not a lot, just to make sure. I might go in there and tidy it up. Or what I'm probably gonna end up doing is slide it over there to Jesse, Lawless, and we can put on the lift. Then I can, even if I just do it, like I said, just use the lift, I can get on there and do what I need to do. It's kind of crazy hard looking at it on the ground, so I got it on there, but I'm gonna go under there and tweak it and stuff too, fine tuning and all that good stuff, man. Cause like I said, the car, this lean, if it was sitting level, be cool, but this lean, man, it's squat. That's why I said the only reason I got a squat, I don't really care for having a squat. I like my car sit level, but that would mean I would have to sit the back up that high, the front pretty high, just for the sake of weight, man, cause it was so low you couldn't even put anybody in the car. Cause you put a grown up in the car of any size, any weight, it would scrub, man. Like it's a rough ride. So I just did that for the sake of driving. That's the only reason it got a lean. No other reason. Trust me. Cause other than that, I like my car level because the suspension works as it should. And I definitely want my back up high because I still want my travel out the back. I mean, the front ain't too much worried about. I want my travel in the back though. Definitely want my travel in the back with the power going to. So I'm gonna fine tune it, tweak it and all that, man. But we got it done. Didn't catch no rain. So it was a good day. It was a good day, man. Job got done. It wasn't no fight or nothing. I mean, ain't run into no problems. Only thing I discovered is just that one of them bolt holes don't work. They definitely don't. So you running with 3 bolt holes. But other than that, man, I'm satisfied with it. It's good products, good build, good quality and all that. So yeah, they're gonna wrap it up. So I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.